Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil. It is so easy that even a kid could do it. And not just any kid, a special kid, my daughter, Ashley. Hi Ashley.
Hello.
So this is your first time you're going to change your oil, right? So let's put the wheel chokes on.
Okay.
Alright. So Ashley, start looking for the drain plug.
This thing here?
Which one?
This one?
No, that's to the flux capacitor. Keep looking.
Let's see. I don't know car parts well.
Huh. You know what? I think it's this one here.
Hey!
Ashley, let's start loosening up the bolt. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Wait, you just pull it? I don't want to break it.
Turn it. You're not going to break it. You break it, I kill you. Come on. Come on. Put some muscle to it. Whoa. Okay, stop. Stop. You loosened it, right? Slowly loosen the bolt until it starts to drip.
Like.
Oh, Lisa, this is why you need gloves.
Okay, this thing's getting messy.
There you go. There you go.
Ew.
All right. Okay, so we're just going to wait till that drains out. Okay, so what we're going to do now, since the oil's drained out, we're going to put the screw back on. As my kids teach me, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we want to tighten it. So we go to the
Right.
right. Okay, so let's go ahead and screw it in.
Okay.
Okay, is that tight?
Yep.
Just hand tight. So we're going to tap it off later. All right, so go get the wrench. Where's the wrench at? Before you even do that, you're not going to put dirty oil on my brand new wrench, are you?
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Some already got in it.
Oh, what? All right. Let's clean up your hands later, but that's okay though.
Okay, where's the...
Okay, so make sure it's on the on.
On? Okay, is it okay if my oil hands touch it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
What you want to do is that when you tighten it, you want to go a quarter turn after it's tightened.
Okay, so just a quarter turn?
Just a quarter turn. Is it tight?
I haven't done it yet. Wait.
Okay, come on. You're not going to break it.
Okay.
Come on, push! Ah!
This is hard to keep on.
All right, so I'm going to have to help her out. There you go. Okay, so quarter turn.
Is that good enough or...
A little tighter. Okay, quarter turn. Okay, good. Stop.
Okay.
And that should be good.
Okay.
So Ashley, go look for the oil filter. It's blue. Find it, Ashley?
It's up there.
All right, let's go check it out. Ashley, go ahead. See if you... I kind of pre-loosened it for you. So put that over the cover. So when you take it off, let it stay there for like about 20 seconds so that way all the oil would drain. Now, which way do you go to loosen it?
Left.
Left. So start turning to the left or counterclockwise. So let's go. So Ashley, now you can start changing all the car's oil. Oh, you're going to become a mechanic when you grow up. Okay, so remember, don't let it drop, all right?
I won't.
Okay.
Like this.
All right, okay, now rub it around the top, just a light coat. You should take it out of the box maybe.
Okay.
Okay, so now she's trying to install it back in. And you should never be directly underneath the oil filter drain because you never want to have that oil go on your face. So did you find it? No, getting close. I mean your code warmer, up, 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 around there, around there. All right. Did you find it? Slowly twist it. What are you doing?
Here?
Okay, right. That's an angle. We're trying to strip it? No. Right. Okay, so let me help her. What the heck is that? All right, let me help her out. Okay, so now we have the filter on. What I like to do is after I screw it on, I like to wipe it off. So that's way there's no oil residue for a couple of purposes. Number one, it's cleaner when I take it off. Number two, there's only any oil residue on the oil filter. I know that it's not tight or there's a leak. So now all we have to do is fill the engine up with oil.
My glove broke.
All right, here's the wrench. That's because it's tighten it.
Oh.
Remember, left. Okay. Alrighty, now let's fill up the oil. Alright, so now we're filling up the oil. Actually, lift it up. Let's see how much oil. Oh, there's no oil. Yeah, the reason why it was kind of heavy, so I did it for her. So we just did that for show. Alright, so it's 5.7, so we got to get another quart of oil, and we'll stick it in there, and we're ready to go. Okay, let's pull out the dipstick. Okay, be careful because you don't want it to be dropping. Oil dripping. So what does that say? So it's about full, right? You see how it's kind of glossy?
Uh-huh.
So there we go. And the reason why it's a little bit over because the oil is still flowing down from the engine. But at least I know it's full. So we put that back in. I hope you learned something, and let's go change oil. What, you still here? We're done. Come on, let's go. Come on, shoot, 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 shoot. Bye! Come again!